Hello again. This one is a drawing sheet with a couple of tabular notes. And you can see some information related to the design is available in these tabular notes. Now we will try to fetch the some information about these tabular notes. Okay. Anything which resides in your drawing or in your part is object, and everything that we deal with when we work with programming, when we work with NX Open, is object. Okay, the same way we'll deal with this. And as I said always, that uh, fetching the right information about the objects that reside in your part is a very very crucial and very very important skill set you must need to adopt while you are learning NX Open. Okay, so let get started. I have a journal and I'm going to play this journal. Once I play this journal, some information we can see here. It says found a section. This is the tag of that section, and it resides on sheet 2. The another section is found, and this one is a tag for that section, and it also resides on sheet 2. Tag is nothing but uh, the object, uh, and it is a integer, and it is actually unique integer. Okay, so if you have thousands of objects in your NX part, every time you will get this tag with the unique number. So this is a unique identity of that tag, and instead of reporting some other info about that tabular node object, here we have simply shown the tag. Okay, and the second line, which says that it is on sheet 2, which is actually we tried to find out the dependency. We tried to find out the link of that object with respect to sheet. Okay, so this is the simple journal again. I always try to find out the simple journals to explain you some concepts about NX Open. Uh, this is another simple journal that we have, and it is using not no different APIs actually. It is not using any out of the box APIs to report this information. If I show you this journal, you will definitely able to understand. Okay, the first important API that we are using cycle objects in part. This is the API which is part of UF objects namespace, and what we define here uh, is actually relevant or related to the tabular node. So this is where we have added the filter that we wanted to work with tabular node. Okay, you can see here UF constants is used as UF tabular node type. Okay, this is we have this is where we have defined which type of object we want to work with. There might be other sheets on this drawing, and there might be other objects there, several drawing views, dimensions, annotations, etc. Different type of nodes, symbols, but this is where we are focused for now. So this is how we have filtered all that things using UF tabular node type. And this is a do loop that fetches all of that tabular node types and reports some information. But before reporting that information, I have used ask type and subtype because I also wanted to know the subtype of that tabular node. So this is the API member which resides in UF objects namespace, and I'm using some parameters given here to find out the integer value of the type and subtype. Okay, so T and ST is the type and subtype, and which is defined as integer, and this ask type and subtype returns with the integer value of that object. And then further to that, I have used ask view dependent status in order to find out the dependency with respect to sheet of that tabular node. This is a simple journal which uses three important APIs: cycle objects in part, ask type and subtype, and ask view dependent status. All of these are ufunc APIs. Two of them are ufunc objects namespace, and one of that is ufunc view namespace. Okay, and the rest is a very common piece of code. This one is echo, which helps me print this information in a window, and this is the unloading option to unload the library of the NX Open that I'm using. Okay, another simple example, but fetches some right kind of objects and relevant information from that objects. You can play around with this particular journal. You can choose to use any other type here using UF constants, and you can play around with this journal to report some other objects and information related to those objects by tweaking by doing tweaks in this particular journal. Okay, I guess this is something that you got to learn today, something new you got to learn today. As usual, keep watching my videos, and definitely, if there are suggestions from you, I am very eager to know those suggestions first of all, and I'm definitely going to work on those suggestions if you have. And also, if you do not have any suggestions, you are anyway looking to learn. You are learning a lot of from my videos. That is perfectly fine. But definitely connect with me. Comment on my videos so that I know that how you are learning with me. Okay. So take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. And I'm definitely going to see you in the another video.